All right, I'm gonna go over the trade that I took today. So to end the week last week, we swept these lows, which were a pretty significant swing low, and it's the liquidity sweep I was looking for before taking out this downtrend and continuing back up because I mean, we're just super bullish, like historically bullish. So I'm really trying to find reasons to be bullish. There's no imbalances here in this area, so all I could really look for was the sweep of this and then a reversal. Last Friday, that's exactly what happened. So I was looking for a continuation. So I'm expecting a continuation long today. I actually woke up pretty late. I didn't get to the charts until around 10, like right around here. But what I was seeing on NQ is that we had made this 5-minute gap and we were displacing out of it. So I was super bullish. Dropping down to the 1 minute, we're clearly displacing higher. And once we get these wicks here, then I was looking at this FVG to long. But you can see we kind of just ran through it. But we start pushing back up again and then we sweep this little internal low here. And we had a bearish FEG here, which we then inversed. So what I did was I waited for a 15-second dip back into this IFVG. Drop down to the 15-second here, and this is where we tap back into it. And then once we get this super bullish candle here, I just market entered with stops at the low. And I actually got in right here at the top with my stop at this low. So it got kind of scary for a second because I got in and it instantly started flipping against me. And we were only a couple ticks away from my stop loss, but then it reversed. Initially, I was targeting this high here, but coming into the day, I was only about $20 away from being at 1900 on my account balance. So I took off one contract to make $30 and then went break even. But then to make up for taking that trade off short, I went for 45 points on the runner, which was here. And we chopped around for a little bit with me at break even. It never came back and hit me, and it went to my take profit. And that one trade put me at $121 profit on the day. Now for an update on our account balances, I have 5 XFAs. We are pretty darn close to a payout. So my plan is to take a $500 payout on each one of these 2 accounts once I hit 2200. The reason being is I don't want to put myself in a lot of drawdown, and I also don't want to be super far from another payout after I take the first payout. Once these hit 2200, I'll take 500 from each, take $1,000 payout, and it's going to put my accounts at 1700, which is still plenty of drawdown and pretty close to 2000. And then after that, I want to keep my balance at 2000 and withdraw everything after that. Our middle account is at 888, so by the time I get to payout balance on these 2, it'll be at around 1,000, and then these 2 are sitting at around $200, so that's going to take a little while to build those up. But yeah, we're really close to our first payout. I'm super excited, but we're not there yet, so I just got to keep trading good, keep being consistent, and not breaking my rules. I also really want to get more consistent with posting videos because I know I'm kind of on and off. I'm really bad about it, but I will try to work on it, and I'll try to do more live videos because personally I think the live trading is a lot more entertaining than recaps.